Question number 1. First President of India who died while in office. Answer: Zakir Hussain. Question number 2. Which metal is used in the bulb? Answer: tungsten. Question number 3. Baking soda is also known as. Answer: sodium bicarbonate. Question number 4. Tungabhadra Dam situated in. Answer: Karnataka. Question number 5. Elephanta Caves festival was held in. Answer: Mumbai. Question number 6. Vienna is the capital city of which country? Answer: Austria. Question number 7. First test tube baby in the world. Answer: Louis Joy Brown. Question number 8. Nobel Prizes are annually distributed at. Answer: Stockholm. Question number 9. Which is the most abundant mineral in human body? Answer: calcium. Question number 10. Which gas is used in cigarette lighters? Answer: butane.